We are going to have to freezing cold feels like -6, 120L, 4 degrees snowing on Monday morning. 2 to 4 inches of snow are expected.
Of the city. And then as we look at the rest of the city, for the island, Lower Hudson, North Jersey, it's a traced one. In fact, we could be completely devoid.
Make sure you wear snow day. Clothes you need clothes hat, long pants, long shirt, snow boots, scarf. It's very cold, freezing. It feels like Alaska. Welcome to Winter Wonderland. This is really cold. Freezing below zero temperature is 30. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any videos.
Only her Fans LiL Chris of World Fans, real fans. Support her, or Amazing People fans. We are all friendly people fans. If you are watching her channel, if you have been there, you are OG LiL Chris of World Fans since she started on her channel. Subscriber her on YouTuber channel. She loving her fans, also she her channels. All about friendly nussly amazing support for her fun journey, fun adventure.
It's snowing here. I know I'm wearing a pajama, but it's snowing. Let me grab a whole snow stick. It's snowing, guys. I know, it's so cold. I'm gonna try, hold on.
She is shoveling her snow on the ground, but actually play in the snow. It's 1 degrees freezing cold.
It's snowing. Guys, it's snowing here.